All right, this is Northumbrian Suite. It's a folk tune, and it's an arrangement by Ian David Coleman. So this is the cello part, and it's very gentle. It's kind of a sweet little movement. I'll do each movement in a separate video. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. 3. Just want to let the cello ring. 2, 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3. And 3. High. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Gentle hook. 2. 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. 2. 25. 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, up bow. 1, 2, up bow again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Rest. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. A little bit more. 1, 2, 3. 3, and a little less now.